Hello everyone, Jonathan Schlack, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update. We have a slight risk for severe weather today that encompasses the very far extreme northeastern corner of South Carolina, eastern North Carolina, far southeastern Virginia, southeastern Delaware, essentially the Jersey coast, much of Long Island, southeastern Connecticut, most of Rhode Island, and southeastern Massachusetts. And we have a marginal risk for severe weather today that encompasses much of Florida, southeastern Georgia, southeastern South Carolina, parts of eastern North Carolina, parts of southeastern Virginia, parts of east central Maryland, central Delaware, parts of central, northeastern, and southwestern New Jersey, a very teeny tiny part of southeastern PA, just barely includes PA at all. Or in the New York City area, parts of southwestern and northeastern Connecticut, the very far extreme northern part of Rhode Island, and east central and south central Massachusetts. So going to the tornado threat for today, we have a 5% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses eastern North Carolina and far southeastern Virginia. There's a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses parts of Florida, southeastern Georgia, southeastern South Carolina, parts of eastern North Carolina, southeastern Virginia, and the very far extreme southeastern part of Maryland. And going to the wind threat for today, we have a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that encompasses extreme northeastern corner of South Carolina, eastern North Carolina, southeastern Virginia, southeastern Maryland, southeastern Delaware, the Jersey coast, much of Long Island, southeastern Connecticut, most of Rhode Island, and southeastern Massachusetts. And there's a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that encompasses much of Florida, southeastern Georgia, southeastern South Carolina, eastern North Carolina, east central Virginia, parts of east central Maryland, central Delaware, southwestern, central, and northeastern New Jersey, the very far extreme southeastern corner of Pennsylvania, the New York City area, and surrounding New York City, southwestern, north central, and northeastern Connecticut, far northern Rhode Island, and south central and east central Massachusetts. And there is no hail threat for today. So, in summary, severe thunderstorm winds and a few tornadoes are possible from the eastern Carolinas to southern New England. Isolated severe thunderstorms may occur southward into portions of Florida. So, that's all I got for today. I am not going to show you the day 2 outlook because there is nothing for day 2. And there's only general thunderstorm for day 3. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas today, and my next video will be the next marginal, so the next marginal or higher will be my next video, which will be who knows how long, so, or who knows when. So stay safe in the affected areas today, and I will see you when I see you. Take care.